You said about having a very beautiful experience through meditation, which shifted a lot within yourself, and how being dependent on people or a certain situation or going out, doing something which makes you happy, which gives you happiness. More than that, how important it is to move inwards, give that time to yourself, look inwards, find that happiness within yourself, which is unlimited. So can you just tell our viewers like how do we meditate? How do we how what steps we follow to meditate? Because in today's time, people are on run. People are continuously working, shifting themselves from one thing to another thing, one activity to another activity. So at times, people do find it difficult to manage 15, 20, 30 minutes to meditate. So first of all, first question is to you is like how you meditate, what steps you follow to meditate.
The most important part, which should be clear before we start to meditate, is that why are we meditating? Right? We should know who is that being in me who is wanting to meditate, and upon who that being is wanting to meditate. I need to know who I really am and who I am trying to connect to. I cannot develop a personal connection with somebody till the time I don't know that person. What is my perception of the divine, of the supreme? How have I perceived that entity till now? I have to first have a clear understanding of that. So I always tell everybody, whoever asks me about meditation, that understanding the need to meditate is the first step which has to be taken if you want to learn meditation truly, right? We are living in a world, as I mentioned, there are so many beautiful souls which are giving our life only because others should benefit, right? When I came across Brahma Kumaris 5 years back, the one thing which really fascinated me, surprised me, astonished me, that this beautiful, vast organization does not charge any cost, any money to teach meditation. How wonderful is that? Today, even when you walk into a hospital, you are first asked to pay the advance, right? And something which is so precious, something which is so invaluable. There are these beautiful, beautiful souls who have dedicated their entire life because we can benefit, because others can benefit. So, whoever the importance of having the right mental health, the right inner environment, and take that time out from your daily routine. Half an hour, 45 minutes. Today, Brahma Kumaris is the only spiritual world organization which has their centers in almost 140 countries and almost 9,000 centers. Wherever you are in the world, it is a high possibility that within 3 to 4 kilometers of your area, of your residence, of your house, you have a meditation center. You tell me what could be more helpful and what could be more wonderful than that. Take out time, go visit that center, learn meditation. It is a 7 days course which we offer, where we give you an entire understanding of why to meditate, how to meditate, and with who, upon who to meditate. Who are we trying to connect, and who we really are? Who is that being really who is trying to connect, right? So understanding the self and understanding the divine, and understanding spirituality and meditation in a practical, logical, deeper way, right? Whoever is watching us right now, you can just visit the Brahma Kumari's official website. You can go to the center locator, you can put your area pin code, and you will get the available centers which are close to your place. If you are in Thane, there are 3 beautiful centers which you can visit to. anytime in the morning and evening. The first center is in Thane Cheknaka, which is called the Lighthouse. Then we have the second center in Shivayanagar, and then there is the third meditation center, which is called Gyan Sarovar, which is in Savarkar Nagar, right? So if you are in Thane, take benefit of this beautiful selfless service, right? I am personally looking forward to a lot of people, especially youngsters, who have realized that mental health is not an optional kind of evolvement which you want to do. It is, in today's world, it is compulsory for you to live really, really consciously, to really, really be aware of what is happening around and what's happening within me, right? So you can call on the number which is flashing on your screen right now. Dial this number, book a time slot for yourself, either in the morning or evening, and give 7 days, just 7 days, 7 hours for your inner evolvement, for your inner fulfillment, right? We, as this amazing, beautiful organization that Brahma Kumaris is, welcome you with our hearts open and with our souls filled with God's love and powers to share it with you all. So take that step and visit your closest meditation center and take the benefit of this wonderful, wonderful service.